The Russian PMC landscape is notoriously murky. There has been evidence of Russian mercenaries operating in eastern Ukraine, Syria, Libya, and numerous African countries. But information about the individuals and organizations involved with those private military companies is patchy. One needs to gather discrete information from many places and consolidate them in a way that can be meaningfully analyzed. With the Digital Investigative Board, this job becomes very easy. The add-on helps speed up data gathering. Thanks to it, the researcher is able to overlay its known knowledge on any web page. The researcher can also add new knowledge directly from the web page. Furthermore, the system automatically records where each data point is captured, thus providing the researcher with a full audit trail. In addition to adding nodes, the researcher can also create connection between them directly on the web page. In the course of this investigation, the researcher faced the issue of transliteration. This is a common problem in the OSINT world. Russian name of individual and organization can be spelled in many different ways. By adding those different variants of the spelling of a particular node, we can reconcile it regardless of how its name was spelled in a given article. Reknowledge Digital Investigative Board not only speeds up data collection and consolidation, it's also hugely powerful in helping to identify new insights. Using the advanced search tool, the researcher was able to quickly identify the various paths of connection between Russian PMCs and the Russian state institutions. Once the researcher has organized his or her canvas, spotting patterns and insight becomes much easier. For instance, the difference between PMCs with FSB connections and those with GRU connection become obvious once mapped out. In addition, the researcher can interact with his or her knowledge. Opening nodes or connection scorecard provide further information to the researcher. And it also provides him or her with the opportunity to check the source for any data point stored in the knowledge base. The discovery of the St. Petersburg connection was also made through the analytical workbench. Having mapped out all the relevant information, it became obvious that many Wagner operators had some connection to St. Petersburg and its police forces in particular. This piece of investigation is a great illustration of the power of our Digital Investigative Board. It speeds up the data collection and consolidation stage greatly. It allows the researcher to build a meaningful knowledge base that he can effectively query. Finally, the Digital Investigative Board empowers the analyst to navigate and visualize his or her knowledge and find new insight hidden in the noise of information.